Hello my crochet friends, this is Lady Jana and welcome back to my channel. If you're still struggling with the magic ring to start an amigurumi project or a granny square, I'm here to show you 3 different methods instead of making the magic ring. The methods are not perfect, some have little bulges and some are better. My favorite method is method number 3 that I'm going to be showing you. The first method is the slip knot method. It's the method that looks more like a magic ring, but it is not. You start off by doing a slip knot like this, but you don't pull it through like that. You do your slip knot, but you have to keep it loose. And where you're going to be doing or adding your stitches is in this loop right there. You chain 1 to start with, and then you do 6 single crochet in this loop. 1, 2, see, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Once you're done, you hold both ends and you pull on the tail, and it does close the loop. Once it's closed, then you can join to the first single crochet you just did, with a slip stitch. Then you continue on crocheting. Now this takes some practice and it's not my preferred way. If you're going to be doing this way, might as well learn how to do the magic ring. So this is the first method. The second method is called the chain 4 method, or chain 5. I'm going to do it with chain 4. And then you're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, you're going to slip stitch into this first chain. Now, if you notice, when you close the chain, it does make like a circle or a loop. And in the hole, this is where you're going to be making your 6 single crochet. So hold it carefully, go inside this hole, and then you do your single crochets. 1, and then you turn as you go. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So this is how it looks like. Now with this method, it's a good idea to use a stitch marker. I have not. So to find my first single crochet, I count reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is this one. You do a slip stitch, and then you can pull if you want to. And this is, it creates your ring. It's not perfect. Okay, so this is how we do our second method. My third method is my preferred method, and it's the chain 2 method. So we're going to do again a slip knot, but this time we're going to chain 2. 1, 2. And what you're going to be doing is you're going to be doing all 6 single crochet in this first chain. So you go into this chain and you do 6 single crochet. 1 to hold it firm so that you see the hole, you see where you need to do all of the single crochet. 2, 3, 4, 5, and then to close, you do a slip stitch into the first single crochet and you close it. There you go. And it does make a little bit tiny hole. You can pull it and it will close. So this is my preferred way. This is, if you're not good with magic rings, this is the way that I would suggest for you to do, but try all 3. Let me know which one is better for you. They all work. I mean, for some projects, it doesn't matter how cool it looks, as long as it is closed. Go ahead, give it a try. Try all 3 methods and let me know in the comment section which one is your favorite. I hope that you learned something. I hope that you liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have yourself a great day. Take care.